This is not a place like other folks run it. If something you feel, respond. Respond. Ain't nobody gonna look back at you like the movie theater. Respond. And if you sit next to the other rest of people who bang up and they ain't want to act right, move from them, yeah? Move from them and pray for them. Okay, that's all you do. But don't let them tie you up and bind you up. And so, definitely today, we want to thank Sister Cynthia, who y'all have been greeted by and seen. Thank you so much for all your work here on behalf of the River Roads African American Museum. And I'd like you to just tell us the rest of the names of the staff members that are here that have been helping get everything moving for us today.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Cynthia Buggage, and I'm a native of Donaldsonville, Louisiana. I am standing in for, and I can never stand in for, Miss Kathy. She is trying to get here, but we want to thank you guys and welcome you here. We want to welcome the wonderful sisters and brothers of South Carolina and the other cities that came with them to Donaldsonville. And what I'm going to do is just quickly tell you guys the staff, Mrs. Janice Linton. Mrs. Janice Linton, where are you, Mrs. Linton? Mrs. Linton needs to be on this stage because she actually is the heart and soul of this museum, beyond and next to Kathy. She has been volunteering with Kathy for free since Kathy has been doing this in Donaldsonville, and that's been some years. The museum has been in existence for 17 years. We are proud and happy to have a mayor of the city of Donaldsonville who understands and is compassionate about the things that we need to do and we need to see, and especially about uplifting and enlightening people about our history. Our mayor is Leroy Sullivan, my classmate. He is here. And he would like to come up and present to the Gullah, Geechee Nation and Queen Cut just a semblance of what we share as appreciation for you guys being here. We also want to say, as the mayor's coming, there is also several people who are here that I don't want to start calling names, but I will say that we have several of our ministers in our community here enjoying with us today and thought this was important to be here. And if we can have all of our ministers to please stand so they can be recognized. Thank you. And additionally, we have retired educators who are here volunteering and also here to see you guys, as well as here to eat some food. They are sort of all around the room, so if they would just, I see wave, if they would, our educators would wave their hand. We appreciate them. And then at this point, I'm going to turn, and there is the board of directors for the River Road African American Museum, which I was previously the vice president of before I went back to work with a member of Congress in Texas and DC. But I will say to you that the board, Mr. Gerard Priant, where's Ms. Priant? Well, when I tell you that man is unstoppable, he is something else. Who else am I? Is there another board member here that I'm missing? Miss Alice Julian Smith Robinson is the descendant of, you will see the sugarcane planter machine that was invented to help really revolutionize sugarcane planting and processing. And Miss Alice, raise your hand, Miss Alice, her father was the person who invented that. You'll see him inside the museum as well. I am now going to turn this over to the mayor of the city of Donaldsonville, the Honorable Leroy Sullivan, Senior.
Thank you, Cynthia. I appreciate the warm invitation to call me up on the stage, and I just want to welcome each and every one of you to the city of Donaldsonville. It's indeed an honor as well as a privilege to stand here as the mayor of the city of Donaldsonville. I know it's hot, and we're going to do everything we can in order to accommodate you know, each and every one of you. Cynthia, if we need anything from out of City Hall, just let me know. We can open it up. But it's just a pleasure to be here. And I have this proclamation that I would like to read and present. And it's a proclamation from the city of Donaldsonville. It says, whereas Queen Quet, chiefess and head of state of the Gullah Geechee Nation, is the spokesperson for the Gullah Geechee around the world and has dedicated her life to educating the world on the history, heritage, and culture of Gullah Geechee people. And whereas Queen Quet was the first person, to speak on behalf of Gullah Geechee people at the United Nations in Geneva, Switzerland. And whereas Queen Quet has been recognized as the official leader of the Gullah Geechee people and has received numerous awards for cultural advocacy, historic preservation, community service, lifetime achievement, education, and as a woman of distinction. And whereas Queen Quet received a vision to begin the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, and founded it with Kwame Shah of All Mobile Production. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival has been celebrated on Santa Helena Island, South Carolina, in Charleston, South Carolina, in Nassau and Freeport, Bahamas, along the entire coast of Georgia, and in Fernandina Beach and Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and is now coming to Donaldsonville, Louisiana, in recognition of the historic Geechee connection that Louisiana has with the Gullah Geechee Nation. And whereas the River Road African American Museum was selected as a host site for this historic reunion of Gullah Geechees with their kinspeople of Louisiana. And now, therefore, I, Leroy J. Sullivan Sr., Mayor of the City of Donaldsonville, hereby present this proclamation in honor of Queen Quet, Chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, Kwame Shah, and the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. On behalf of the City of Donaldsonville, we hereby proclaim August 6, 2011 as Gullah Geechee Day. Oh, yes. And we have with us Mr. Alvin Baptiste, who is an artist here of primitive art. I'm sure that y'all get a chance to see some of his artwork on display. But his art is known around the world.
To the City of Donaldsonville, Mr. Mayor, we say thank you, thank you. We're so glad for this show. And Hunter North, I have to have Gullah Geechee Day every year now, ain't it? Okay. So we thank you so much for this. We are definitely honored by this. And we also received a proclamation in New Orleans for Gullah Geechee Days from August 5th through 7th. So folks gonna have to celebrate all up and down. So we love it. So thank you so much, and we appreciate it, and this won't be the last time that we are here. Oh, yes. And we also want to recognize Shem Hatep Boxley, that y'all know from Forks City Road, out there in Natchez, Mississippi, who there with we. Shem Hatep Boxley has come to the Gullah Geechee Nation before. We've done our libation ceremonies there before, and so although he normally is elsewhere for a retreat this weekend, the Spirit made sure he was right here in Louisiana this your time. And so he was with us at Congo Square yesterday in New Orleans, and several of you were. Yes, my sister keeps saying yes, yes. And so definitely it was a powerful, powerful event. And right after, we poured libation, and we talked about how there had been overcast clouds that looked like they were going to storm the city. That when we came out, the sun came out. The clouds just split and the sun shined. And when everybody was securely inside the Golden Feather restaurant, the Mardi Gras restaurant across the street from Congo Square, all of a sudden the clouds rushed back in and it poured down rain all over the city of New Orleans. And it cleansed the way. And when we got ready to leave and head out again to the Mardi Gras event, the rain stopped. And so it was such a blessing to know that was really God's way, and the ancestors were shouting right along with me to say, y'all on the right track, bringing the family back together.